Here is a new thing at Chickens for Chicks. Well, we got two new things. We have my 5-ton grain silo that my husband got for me. We got it at a junkyard for 200 bucks. And of course, we're gonna have to fix some stuff, which thank God my husband's a really good fixer. You can see there's some stuff broken there. There's a couple holes up top. I don't know if you can see them right yet. And then we have to get the thing so I can get the food out of the grain bin. But we put it up on this concrete. He was hoping that he could do it in such a way that he'd be able to move it, but that didn't quite work out. That one holds 5 ton. And then today, we've had this 2-ton one for a while, but it's been about 3 miles down the road at the place where the guy bought it. And what we needed to move it was we had to get some tires to put on it. So today he went down to Van Buren and got some trailer tires so we can put them on this. And now he'll have to work on getting the area where I can pull the feed. You get the feed out right here, and it's kind of stuck. But with a 2-ton one, the company, Main Street Feeds, that's where I get my feeds, with 2 tons, they will actually deliver feed to me and charge me less. You just have to do at least a 2-ton to get them to deliver it. So this will basically save me 4, almost 5 2-hour round trips, and then unloading. Right now, what we're doing is we have these 55-gallon drums over in my chicken area, and we actually take 50-pound sacks of feed and empty them out. So it all not only saves the time, the wear and tear on my truck. Okay, hold on. These are the 55-gallon drums that we actually fill up, and each drum holds about 300 pounds of feed. Usually I go up and I buy 900 pounds at a time, and I've got those 2 barrels there, and then that barrel there that we put feed in. But that takes, you have to not only go an hour up there, have them load up my truck, an hour back, and then we have to unload all those feed bags and load them into these barrels. So by Phil getting my 2-ton feed bucket, he's saving a huge amount of labor, time, and wear and tear on our bodies. I'm pretty excited. Now I just have to get at the I think it's going to be like $760 to fill the one. And then hopefully after that, I'll be able to fill the 5-ton. And then I'll probably just have them deliver the whole 7-ton at one time. That way, you don't have to worry about feed. You save costs. It'll save when feed goes up. It'll hit me less because I'll buy more feed at one time. Anyways, that's the newest thing, guys.